Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So in the previous chapter we have installed Oracle VirtualBox, and today we will be installing Kali Linux into that particular VirtualBox. So I'll be helping you in installation of Kali Linux into the VirtualBox. So first you have to type here is Kali Linux. Click on the first link. So you will get this user interface, which is this. Now you will get a option download. Click on the download option. Okay, you will get this screen, choose your platform. So as we can see, we have different platforms. We can download it into a mobile or a virtual box, bare metal, ARM, cloud, containers, live boot, and WSL. So what we require here is a virtual machine. So our Oracle virtual machine, we are installing it in a virtual box. So we'll click on this. So now it will give two options, VMware and VirtualBox. So click on VirtualBox. It will ask you to open with or save file. Click on save file and click on OK. So what will happen? It will start the downloading of the OVA file. So make sure that you are installing this OVA.OVA file for VirtualBox. So I'll just pause the video, and once the download gets completed, I'll come again. Okay, so our download is about to complete. So now it is complete. Open the file. So in the downloads, you will see the OVA file. You can move it to any location. So I'll be keeping it into the downloads only. Now you need to open Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Now you need to click on import. Now click on downloads and click on next. Now these are the default settings which was set for in the OVA file, but you can change it. Like I can change the RAM to 4098 MB and CPU to let's keep it 2 for now, and you can select or unselect any option from here for the network also. And now we will click on import, click on agree. So it will start the importing virtual disk image. So it will take some time. Okay, so the installation is completed. Now we will click on start. So you will be seeing this window will pop up. So our Kali Linux operating system is launching now. So the default password is Kali, and same here, login. So now it will log you in into the latest Kali Linux operating system. Now what you have to do here is first enter the same password. Now just type apt-get update, and then after that you can enter the command apt-get upgrade. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.